The festive season has started. However, there are still few days left for Diwali to come. During this, the sale of bikes increases significantly. In such a situation, if you're also planning to buy a new bike, then there are certain things that you need to keep in your mind. And if you don't pay attention to these things, then you can miss buying good deals from the market. So let's take a look at what these points are. So first of all, if you are going to buy a new bike in the showroom, you must definitely take a test ride before buying. A test ride will give you an idea of how comfortable it is to ride the bike. The second most important thing to keep in mind while buying a bike is its mileage. It's important to fuel up your bike to run it. In today's time, when the price of the petrol is increasing rapidly, you should buy a bike that gives you more mileage. Now thirdly, you should consider buying a bike if it gives you good safety features. There are many great features coming in the bike these days. If you are going to buy a bike in such a situation, definitely find out what features are coming in terms of safety, as these features can save accidents from happening. Well, during this festive season, keep these tips in your mind before buying a two-wheeler. Well, we hope this video was helpful. For more such content, do like and subscribe to our channel India.com.